The Egg Story. Dear children, today I'm going to tell you the story of an egg. There is an egg in the flower bed. Along comes Mother Duck.
That's not mine,
she says. Along comes Mother Goose.
That's not mine,
she says. Along comes Mother Hen.
That's not mine,
she says. Along comes Easter Bunny.
that's not mine,
he says. Along comes Mr. Fox.
That's mine,
he says. But here comes Mother Crocodile. What do you think? What will happen next?
Hey Fox,
she says.
thank you for babysitting.